Open his door.
I gotta let him. I got it.
No.
Not this other door.
Did y'all this one to shoot me?
Yeah.
I keep trying to set out fires and I keep getting shot.
Okay.
They're gonna shoot you regardless.
No,
Okay.
if they shoot you, they're slow. This is the firefighter, but this is Jake the firefighter. Everyone, W Jake in the chat. Nigga, there's no fire going on in this house because Jake's gonna put that shit out before it has a chance to go to that.
Except maybe I won't have a chance because I literally got shot in the fucking eyeball and my arm already.
In GTA, obviously.
And I couldn't set fire.
Hey.
Go get the other one.
Fire squad.
Go get the other one. Go get the other one.
This still has to.
Yo! Another one. You need another one? It's not done. I see right there. It's not done. I'm at the camera. Got his ass. Water.
You got it.
Damn.
Is it out?
Jesus.
This nigga will lead through that shit in the corner of the town, bro. I just tossed it.
No.